Good morning, P2 students. How are you today? Today is Thursday and is the 25th of June 2020. For today's learning objective is that I can check my progress on page 59 of my learner's book. Again, for our learning objective for today is that you can or you say to yourself, I can check my progress on page 59 of my learner's book. So please get your learner's book and open it to page 59. There it is. So in this page, we will see two tests. So last time we talked about this, right? So we talk about what's the name of this? What are the two names of this, and what are this? They are called battery or cell, right? And how about picture A? What is this? It's a ball, right? For letter B, it's a motor. And how about letter C? What's this? It's a buzzer, right? Then for letter D, that's a picture of a switch. So that was your assignment last time. For today, we're going to review and see if you still remember this. So first one, picture A, there's a buzzer. Do you think the buzzer will work? Is this a complete circuit? No, right? Because as we know, circuit goes round and round and round. It goes in a circle. But here, picture A, no, this circuit will not work. The buzzer also will not work because there is no circle. The circuit is not complete because all the wires are connected to the positive terminal of the battery. How about letter B? Will this circuit work? Will this motor work? Yes? No, right? Because there's only, this is not a complete circuit because there's only one wire. So there's no circle. The electricity cannot go in a loop, right? No. How about this, letter C? So this is a buzzer, right? So remember a buzzer, the red wire of the buzzer should be connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So this one, do you think the circuit will work? Is there a circle? I mean, like, would the electricity goes round and round and round? Yes, you see, the red wire of the buzzer is connected to the positive side of the battery, which is correct. And then here the negative wire is also connected to, the other wire is also connected to the negative one. So picture C, yes, the circuit will work, right? Because as we know, circuit works only if there's a complete loop, um, wherein electricity can pass up. It is a path wherein the electricity can go through, right? Okay. So next we have for number 4, will the bulb be on or off in these circuits and why? Do you think the bulb will turn on or off for letter A? How about letter B? Okay, let's do it one more time. Oh, let's review it. So we know that a circuit will only work if all the materials or all the things we need like bulb holder, cell or battery holder, the cell, the wires are connected to each other, right? Where there's a loop when it's connected. But look at this one, the wire is not connected. So remember this symbol, the switch is on, right? The switch is on here, but do you think the light bulb will turn on? What do you think? Would the light bulb will work or will it light up? Will it turn on? When you say yes because the switch is on, Yes, the switch is on, but here there is a gap. The wire is not connected all the way to the bulb. So this one, even though the switch is on, but there's a gap here. So this bulb will not light up. You get it? Yes, even if the switch is on, so switch is something that can break, can turn on or off the lights, right? Even if the switch is on, see, it's connected, there's no gap here. Even if it's on, but the wire here is not connected to the uh, bulb holder. So this one will not work. I mean, like the bulb will not work, right? Okay, how about letter B, picture B? Can you tell me what symbol of the switch is this? Is it on or off? Remember, this, if the circuit is touching to, I mean, like if the switch is touching to each other, it means it's on, right? If the switch is, one is open, there's a gap, it means the switch is off, right? So this is on, it means the electricity can pass through it, right? So if this is the switch, and then if it's like this, so there's a gap, the electricity will not pass through it. All right, so here, so all compared to the other one, the wire on this side is connected. But do you think there will be a do you think the bulb will work? Will it work? No, right. Why? Remember, a circuit will only work if there is no gap. Even if all the wires are connected, but here there is a gap. So the light bulb will not work because the switch is off, right? Okay, so again, that would be all for today. I hope you learned something, and I know you will because you are a good listener and you are a good student. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.